Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set price range in the Airbnb application on an Android device. Well, setting a price range allows you to filter the search result based on your budget constraint. So by specifying a maximum and minimum price, you can ensure that the listings displayed fall within your desired price range. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Airbnb application on your device. Okay, next you can click the icon placed at the top right corner. Well, so here the way to set the price range, you can drag the slider to the left or right, where the left button is for the minimum price and the right button is for the maximum price. Okay, after that, click here to show the result. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to set price range in Airbnb application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.